To use a Tropical Smoothie gift card on the app, start by downloading and installing the Tropical Smoothie app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create an account or login if you already have one. Navigate to the menu and select the items you want to order. Then proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see an option to add a gift card. Click on this option and enter the gift card number and PIN. The gift card balance will be applied to your order. If the gift card balance is greater than the order total, the remaining balance will be stored on the gift card for future use. If the gift card balance is less than the order total, you will need to pay the remaining balance using a credit or debit card. To check the balance on your gift card, go to the Tropical Smoothie website or mobile app and click on the gift card balance option. You can also check the balance by calling the customer service number or visiting a Tropical Smoothie location. It is also important to note that Tropical Smoothie gift cards can only be used for online orders or in-store purchases, and cannot be used to purchase other gift cards. Additionally, gift cards cannot be redeemed for cash unless required by law. By following these steps, you can easily use your Tropical Smoothie gift card on the app to purchase your favorite smoothies and other menu items. Make sure to keep track of your gift card balance and use it before it expires. To get the most value out of your gift card,